Now we are going to see interstices or voids or holes in a crystal. So voids, we know the meaning of word void. Void means the vacant space which is left in unit crystal after the space is being occupied by the spheres at their lattice sides. So interstices are what the other name of voids are. So let's see here. So heading is interstices or voids or holes in the crystal. So voids, another name is interstices, that is also called holes. So let's see the definition of interstices. Particles are closely packed in the crystals even there is some empty space left in between the spheres. So after the particles are closely packed in the crystal, some empty space is left in between these spheres. This is known as interstices or empty spaces or voids or holes. So interstices are the empty spaces which are left after the spheres occupied their position in the crystal. So the names are of three: interstices, empty space, voids or holes. So we can recognize the voids with different names. Now let's see the types of interstices. So now we are going to see types of interstices. There are two types of interstices in three-dimensional close packing. First one is tetrahedral interstices, second one is octahedral interstices. So in sum up, we have seen tetrahedral void and octahedral voids. Now we are going to see the detail of tetrahedral or octahedral interstices. So let's begin with the first one, that is tetrahedral interstices for voids. So in SCP and CCP, so you know that tetrahedral or octahedral voids are formed only in case of SCP and CCP. It do not forms in SCC or BCC. Okay, so let's see. So tetrahedral interstices is formed in SCP and CCP. Each sphere of second layer touches with the third sphere of first layer, leaves a small space in which is known as tetrahedral site. So tetrahedral site is formed by the combination of 4 atom, 3 atom on one layer and 1 atom on second layer. So the void formed with the combination of these 4 is called tetrahedral interstices or tetrahedral void. The vacant space between 4 touching sphere is called tetrahedral void. Each sphere touches 3 sphere in the below layer and 3 sphere above layer. Hence, there are two tetrahedral sites associated with each sphere. So, with each sphere, number of tetrahedral void in each sphere is 2. So, we will see how it is formed and all details further. So, tetrahedral geometry, we have seen tetrahedral void 3 layer on the first layer and 1 atom on the second layer leads to the formation of tetrahedral void at the center. So keep in mind the number of effective tetrahedral void in the unit cell is equals to double the effective number of atom in unit cell. So keep in mind, if the value of Z is equals to 4, in case of FCC the value of Z is 4. So what will be the number of tetrahedral voids? So number of tetrahedral void will be double, means that will be equals to 8. So keep in mind the number of effective tetrahedral void in the unit cell is equals to double the effective number of atom in unit cell. So if value of Z is 4, the number of tetrahedral void will be 8. If value of Z is 7 or 6, so number of tetrahedral voids will be 12 or 14. Same way. So in FCC, face centered cubic, one corner and its three face centered form a tetrahedral void. So we'll see it with the help of diagram also. So first have the theory. So how the tetrahedral void is formed in face centered cubic crystal. It is formed with the help of one corner and its three face centers forms a tetrahedral void. So tetrahedral void is formed by the combination of one corner and three faces in face centered cubic crystal. Now, in face-centered cubic crystal, two tetrahedral voids are obtained along one cubic diagonal. So, along one cubic diagonal, two tetrahedral voids are formed. Let's see. Suppose cube is there. So how tetrahedral void is formed? So on each face, with the help of three faces and one diagonal, it is formed. So that is shown here also. So where is the face diagonal? So face diagonal will be on face only. So suppose one corner and three faces are involved. So suppose one face is from this side, another face again FCC tetrahedral voids, how it is formed. So one corner is involved and three faces are involved. So three faces, one corner, suppose one corner is this side, one face there this side, another face this side, and suppose this side another face. So the combination of three leads to the formation of tetrahedral void. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that leads to the formation of tetrahedral void. So one corner involved and number of faces involved is 3. So we know the number of faces in a cube how many faces are there. So 6 faces are there. So 3 faces and one corner is involved. See here also. So in cube diagonal, one face, suppose the name is given to that corner A, another 3 faces are there B, C and D, that is shown here. So with the help of that, one tetrahedral void is formed. Same way other side also, suppose we take one corner this side and 3 faces is involved like this. So again it leads to the formation of tetrahedral voids. Just so tetrahedral. So on the cube diagonal, on one complete cube diagonal, how many faces are involved? How many tetrahedral voids are formed? So on cube diagonal, one cube diagonal, number of tetrahedral void is 2. So two tetrahedral void is formed on one cube diagonal. You know how many cube diagonals are there in a cube? Total 4 cube diagonals. So 4 into 2, it gives 8 tetrahedral void in total. In FCC, face centered cubic, on one cube diagonal, 2 tetrahedral voids are formed. How it is formed? One corner involved and 3 faces are involved. Total 6 faces in a cube. Same way, one corner and 3 faces are involved. So that leads to the formation of a cube diagonal inside. So on a cube diagonal, 2 tetrahedral voids are formed with the help of 3 faces and one corner, 3 faces and one corner. So in total, one cube diagonal has 2 tetrahedral voids, total 4 cube diagonal in a cube. So it leads to give 8 tetrahedral voids. So 8 tetrahedral voids is obtained in face centered cubic crystal. In face centered cubic crystal, the number of atom, the value of Z is 4 and the tetrahedral void is double, that is equals to 8, which we have studied the line in the previous one. Let's see here again. So number of cube diagonal is equals to 4. In FCC, 2 tetrahedral voids are obtained along one cubic diagonal, that is shown here. So A, B, C, D, that is shown above one. For below one, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering is given. So 1 is for corner, 2, 3, 4 is for face. Same way, A is for corner, B, C, D is for face. So on one cube diagonal, we get 2 tetrahedral voids. So in FCC, 8 tetrahedral voids are present. So in FCC, total number of atom is equals to 4. The value of Z is equals to 4, we know. So total number of voids is equals to 8. Therefore, we can say that in 3D close packing, 2 tetrahedral voids are attached with one atom. So with one atom, 2 tetrahedral voids are arranged. Now coming to second one, that is octahedral voids. So what is octahedral interstices? How it is formed? Let's see. So octa means, already I've said the name is octa, but it is the combination of 6 atom only. So let's see. 3 atom is shown above. 3 sphere is shown above, and the darkened one is at the back. Darkened sphere 1, 2, 3 is at the back, and 3 sphere is above. So first on the first layer 3 complete sphere is, and at the back 3 sphere which is shown with the dark. So total 6 that leads to the formation in center a void. So the void which is formed with the combination of 6 sphere touching sphere leads to the formation of octahedral void. So in SCC and CCP also, SCC also, SCP or CCP also form hexagonal close pack or cubic close pack. It will be SCP. So in SCP and CCP both forms another type of interstices or voids which is called or octahedral or interstices voids, octahedral voids. So the vacant space between 6 touching sphere, I've said name is octa, but in involvement of atom is 6 only. The vacant space between 6 touching sphere is called octahedral void. So octahedral void is formed by the vacant space which is created by 6 touching sphere. So two triangles are drawn by joining the center of 3 touching sphere of both the layers. So how many triangles or the voids can be formed? So we have seen two types of triangular tips is formed, one pointing upward, one pointing downward, B or C. So two triangular tips are formed, triangles are drawn by joining the center of 3 touching sphere of both the layers. So an octahedral doesn't means the whole is octahedral in shape. So I have already make you clear that the octahedral is only the name, exactly it is hexagonal. An octahedral doesn't means the whole is octahedral in shape, but it means that it is that its site is surrounded by 6 nearest neighbors lattice point arranged octahedrali. So arrangement is octahedral, but the involvement of atom is 6 only. So in FCC 6 face centered forms a octahedral void. So very important, keep it in your mind. In FCC 6 face centered forms a octahedral void. So tetrahedral void was formed by 3 faces and 1 corner. 3 faces and 1 corner forms the tetrahedral void. But in octahedral void all 6 faces are involved. In a cube total 6 faces, so all 6 faces are involved in octahedral void. So therefore it leads only one octahedral void formation on cube diagonal. Now try to understand it with the help of diagram. So an octahedral void at the center, it is formed with the combination of total 6 faces, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is shown at the back or in the front. So 1 on the face, 4 on the face, 1 at the back, 1 at the above. So that 6 faces leads to the formation of octahedral void. Therefore in FCC total number of octahedral voids are equals to 1. So the total number of octahedral void is 1. So as we have the formula, with the help of formula you can also get the total number of octahedral void 12 into 1 by 4, that gives the value of 1 plus 4, that gives the value of 4. So therefore in FCC the number of atom is 4. So we know in FCC the number of atom is 4 and the number of voids is also 4. So very important, in FCC if it is tetrahedral void then it will be double the number of atom. If it is octahedral void it will be equal. So in FCC the number of atom is 4 and the number of void octahedral void is also 4. So therefore we get a formula that number of effective octahedral void in a unit cell is equals to effective number of atoms in the unit cell. So number of voids, octahedral void is equals to effective number of atom, that is value of Z. Now the sum up, in FCC close packing one octahedral void is attached with one atom. So in FCC close packing if it is octahedral void, one octahedral void, so it will be attached with one atom. But we have seen in tetrahedral if it is two tetrahedral void it was attached with one atom. So we say number of tetrahedral void is equals to double the number of octahedral void. So tetrahedral void is 2, then octahedral void will be 1. So lastly in FCC number of octahedral voids or octahedral holes is 4 and number of tetrahedral holes is 8. In FCC again the number of octahedral holes is 4, double will be tetrahedral, so number of tetrahedral holes is 8. Lastly, in SCP, hexagonal close packing also, the number of octahedral voids or octahedral holes are 6 and number of tetrahedral holes are 12, double in number.